Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. I have found a really easy solution for your kids' sneakers. These are the UPINS shoelaces, and they come in a variety of colors. These are the ones we haven't used, but all the other ones we have on our shoes, and I could not recommend these enough. So I originally got these for my kid's shoes. That way he could easily tighten them and loosen them and not have to worry about tying his shoes in the learning process. But actually, I love them so much, and my husband, that we decided to go ahead and put them on our sneakers as well. So these are so comfortable. They work like a normal shoelace. You just lace up your shoe. When you're ready, you go ahead and cut them to whatever size you want. These are the edges that are left over, and you simply put them in here, and you are good to go. So really, really easy to use. Lots of fun colors. They are durable. They have worked out really well for us, and I will continue to use these and buy them as much as I need. But that's just my point of view.